Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to discuss one of the hottest topics buzzing around the drone community, and it's the rumours of the DJI 4 Mini Pro. So let's just get straight into it. As you may know, the DJI Mini 2 has been one of the most popular drones for beginners and enthusiasts alike. With its small form factor, great camera quality and ease of use, but now it seems DJI is planning to launch the next iteration of this successful drone, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So, what are the rumours of this DJI 4 Mini Pro? Firstly, that the DJI Mini 4 Pro will have a larger image sensor, possibly around 1 inch. This is a significant upgrade from the 1/2 inch sensor found on the DJI Mini 2, which can mean better image quality and low light performance. Secondly, the drone is expected to have a better obstacle avoidance system with up to 6 sensors, front, back, sides and bottom. This will make it easier for pilots to fly in complex environments and avoid potential collisions. Additionally, the rumours are that the DJI 4 Mini Pro will have a longer flight time of possibly 45 minutes, which is great for all drone pilots, so you're going to get a longer flight time with this drone. Finally, one of the most exciting rumours is that the DJI 4 Mini Pro will have recording capabilities of 4K in 60 frames per second, which would mean a huge leap from the 4K 30 frames per second offered by the Mini 2. This could mean better quality footage and more creative possibilities. Of course, these are all rumours and nothing has been confirmed yet by DJI. However, if these upgrades do fruition, we can expect the DJI 4 Mini Pro to set a new standard for the compact drones and provide even more opportunities for aerial photography and videography. So that's all we know for now regarding these rumours on the DJI 4 Mini Pro. If you know of any other rumours, let me know in the comments below, and I hope you enjoyed the video on my channel regarding the rumours of the DJI 4 Mini Pro. So thanks for watching this video. If you could like, comment and subscribe, that would be much appreciated. And I'll see you all on my next video on BKM, Tech and Gadgets. Have a good day.